In this tutorial, I will show you how you can fix your color problem on your MacBook Pro. I have opened an image with black color on it, so I can see the color problem. Open your Safari, and on the top right, Color Map Scale. Look for an image look like this one. The last color on the right need to be black, as you can see is not the case. This is how we will fix that. Go to your system settings. Press on Displays. Make sure the automatically adjust brightness is on. Press on Color Profile, and scroll all the way down, until you see the Customize option, and press it. Now, before you press on the plus sign, make sure to press and hold the Option key, and press on the plus sign. You will see that Expert Mode is activated. Before continue, make sure you can see the both two images we have opened earlier. Follow my step. The goal is to turn the last square to black, as now it's gray. If you have any question, please comment below, I will try my best to help. Give a name to your new profile. Click on Continue. Password may require. Click on Done. Shows your new profile you just created. If you successfully done, your last square need to be black by now. I hope this video helped you. If so, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.